would you please welcome man's best friend, Jerry Springer.
Oh, how nice you are. Hey, nice to see you. Okay, my guests today say they've given in to temptation and they're here to reveal their sinful sex tales. Oh. Can you imagine something like that on our show? Okay, please meet Angel. Angel says she's always been Daddy's little girl, but now more than ever. Angel, what is going on?
I'm having sex with my father.